Caravan is insane. Not just insane, insane. Wait till you see the specs on Lee and Christine's 19'8" Sunset Explorer. Let's unravel it. You're not going to want to miss this. So we've got a DO35 all-terrain coupling. Raptor coated chassis goes all the way through, so it's not just the A-frame, it goes all the way through to the back. Stone shield, you've got your integrated toolbox here, dual sliders, gas bottles in the middle. Lee and Christine are going to be outdoor entertainers, so outdoors is what they needed. So we've got the bush tucker slide-out kitchen, offering them your cooking and your sink, everything that you need at hand's reach. We've got double windows in the bedroom here. A lot of people are going this way. Security, open that top window at night time, open both windows during the day. Travelling on a coil off-road suspension with 16-inch tyres. Now, I mentioned entertainment. We've got the small here internal picnic table here. That's a pantry, so ideal for your spices and everything that you want to use outside. When we get inside, you'll see why.
Built with an aluminium frame?
Sorry, Caravan Steve, you are right. It is built with the caravan. It's built with a caravan. It's built with an aluminium frame, built in Australia for Australian conditions. We've got a double step here. What do you think of the colours on the outside, Caravan Steve?
Yeah, I love this. I love the sunset decors. One would say I designed them.
One would say. Now, I'm excited to showcase this. So this is the integrated rear bumper bar. So what we've got here, we've got a couple of jerry can holders inbuilt here. We've
Smart.
got built-in wood box. There's your spare tyre. Storage. We've got a slide-out drawer here.
Wow.
So this is going to be for all your dirty gear.
Yep.
You've got a storage compartment on either side of it. So all tucked away nice and neatly on the bumper bar. So
It looks tough, doesn't it?
Wait, doesn't look complete without that. What's that, Caravan Steve?
Is that what's going to make the van go faster?
What is it?
It's your rear wing right there. And doesn't that look apart, guys?
Certainly
Look at
does.
that. And we've got an external shower right at the back and a reversing camera and sway control as well for great safety features.
Spotlights front and rear.
Yep, that's it.
That. So we've got 1,000 watts of solar here, 400 amps of Arizona lithium batteries. But this is where it's going to set the vans apart. So we've got the big system tucked away nice and neatly here behind the fridge. So it incorporates a 3,000 watt Victron inverter. You've got your MPPTs, you've got your DC to DC, proudly supplied by Arizona. Beauty about this, there are board numbers on each of these systems. So if you do have an issue, you can actually dial in and get, they'll know information about what's on your system. You can read.
Yes.
So we have 2 freshwater tanks and a drinking water tank, as well as a 95 litre grey water tank on board. We've got a diesel heater. Batteries are on the chassis. So you've got your 2 batteries here on the chassis. So that's 200 amps each. Hot water service is gas and 240. We've got your through tuttle boot. But you know what? I mentioned them being entertainers. I'm sure you're itching to get inside, because I am, because it's hot out here. Let's go. We've got the aircon cranking in there.
Okay. That look. This is a Sunset Explorer 19'8", the ultimate off-road couples van right here.
Have chosen. I don't like the decor. The decor's different. We've been seeing a lot of traditional timber ply. We've got the gloss laminate back here, coupled with the two different tone doors.
I miss it.
I do. I actually like it.
Yeah.
So we've got the full queen bed at the front of the caravan, and as Caravan Steve normally mentions, we've got plenty of walkway around the foot of the bed. That's crucial. You don't want to be shuffling down here. A couple of 12-volt fans up on the roof. We're finding a lot of people going that way, as opposed to them being above the window, because you can use them in the bedroom, or you can flip them around and use them in the kitchen or in the seating area.
Yep.
That's your controller for your onboard diesel ducted heater. And we've also got your little cutout niches there. Now, I mentioned entertainment. So a lot of the stuff is going to happen outside, very minimal inside. So we've just got the 3-in-1 Camic microwave convection oven and air fryer. But what that's achieved is, look at this. Lee and Christina are going to appreciate the volume of bench space that they have in their kitchen.
Absolutely.
Still, even with the drainer on there, because we are getting people without the drainers, but they don't need it. Look at that.
No. And I love how the bench top and the splashback have, it's all one colour continuously.
The colours all teamed.
Yeah, very nice.
Top job, Christine.
Yeah.
Or Lee.
More
than likely Christine. Alrighty, so they've got comfortable cafe seats here. So at the end of the day, they can kick back, relax, put their feet up on the footrests, pull that table out. We're going to have Caravan Steve talk to you about the system, because I did mention to you what's on the roof and what's outside. So we've got the little screen going.
Yeah, so I've been pumping the system for about just an hour and 15 minutes. So it's dropped down 18%. But as you can see, the aircon's using 800 watts, 225 or solar's coming back in. So it's not too bad, but it is a bit of an overcast day today. On a bright sunny day, we'd love to see that at about 800, 900 or even 1,000 watts as well.
And I did forget something on the outside, so I was going to talk to you about it on the inside. So no off-road caravan, off-grid caravan is complete without a dust reduction unit. So because of the volume of solar up on the roof, not enough real estate, we've gone with the Gusto dust reduction mounted on the outside of the caravan on the side. What I like about this is the light will illuminate to tell you when that filter needs cleaning. You heard me, cleaning. You don't have to replace, you can wash it.
Yeah. And what is the roof made out of?
So we've got a composite roof.
Composite
correct?
roof and a composite floor as well.
Composite floor as well. Check this out.
Oh, cool. Look at that. Oh, nice.
Another new feature.
Yes.
Haven't seen this yet. This is the first that I've seen, but no, you're going to get a laugh out of this. So you want to go to the fridge, open it up here. Some manufacturers put the doors the wrong way around, but look at that. It opens both ways.
Well, it depends if you're a left or a right-hander.
Exactly.
Yeah. And
Same
the
with the
freezer?
freezer.
Oh, how clever is that?
How's that? It's pretty snazzy.
Guys, tell me what your thoughts on
Dometic's new invention.
yeah, I love it. You know what I mean? I could see a lot of merit in there as
A
well.
lot of thought's gone into
Yeah.
it. Alrighty, so we're going to move into the toilet and ensuite area, and we do still have plenty of room here in the bathroom to sit down and do your business.
Yeah.
Talking about business, so this is the business end of the caravan. So we have a composting toilet from Innovation RV. It does have an inbuilt heater that churns the business up. You can increase heat, you can decrease heat, and what I like about it is it's accessible from outside. So if you have an existing caravan, that can be retrofitted to any caravan as long as it's got that external access door, because the cassette pulls out from outside, large cassette for large business.
Yeah. And you don't have to drag it through the van like some of
Exactly.
the other brands out there.
So obviously just your vanity area, top loader washing machine, Stephen's favourite 2-door mirrored cupboards because he likes to look at himself. Mirrored shower door, again, Steve likes to look at himself. In all seriousness, there's your shower with the black accessories.
That's correct.
Alrighty, that's a walkthrough, guys, done on Lee and Christine's 19-foot 8 Sunset Explorer off-road caravan. If you want to know more about this or any of other vans in our dealership, why not reach out to the team here at sales@sunrisecaravans.com.au. Give us a call 07 388 4455 or come and see us. We're located at 290 Eastern Service Road in beautiful Burpengary, Queensland, where it is hot.
Yep.
If you want to know more about this van,
Comment
the word Explorer and we will send you a itemised list of what comes with this particular model and pricing.
And also as well, guys, if you're enjoying our channel, hit that follow button, subscribe, share this video. This is one of the many vans that we can build and deliver here at Sunrise Caravans, and especially off-grid system. We do a massive 48 volts as well, which is a big part about what we do, because we've been on 48 volts for 5-6 years right now.
We certainly have. So if you've got a vision, why not bring that vision to us and let us fulfil your dreams?
Yep.
Just like Lee and Christine, we can't wait to see where they put this beast of a caravan, where they take it. Can't wait to see some pics.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys.
All right, catch you on the next video. It's going to be Caravan Steve's turn next.
See you later, guys. Bye-bye.